In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without AI. We'll build manually inside Wix Studio so you're in full control of every choice, from layout to styling, without relying on automated generators. First, head to the Wix Studio dashboard and open the Sites area. This is your home base where all of your projects live. Look for the option to create a new site and select it. Instead of choosing an AI assistant, pick the Studio template route. This tells Wix you want to start from a professionally designed layout and customize it yourself. You'll land in the Studio Template Gallery. Browse around until you find a design that matches your brand or the type of site you need. If you see on-screen prompts or highlighted filters, go ahead and use them to narrow down categories or featured options. When in doubt, choose a clean, flexible template. You can always swap images and text later. Open the Resources section for the template you're considering. This is a great place to preview what's included. Example pages, sections, and common components. Think of it like a starter kit that saves you time without designing from scratch. When you're confident with your choice, click Edit to launch the template in the Wix Studio Editor. Inside the editor, Wix often shows a brief guided tour with highlighted areas. Click through each highlight to get oriented. These pointers typically introduce the toolbar, the page list, the design inspector, and responsive controls. Take a moment to hover and read the tips so you understand where to manage pages, adjust layouts, and fine-tune styling. You're not changing content yet. You're simply learning the workspace so you can edit confidently. As you move through the highlighted prompts, notice how the canvas updates to show what each panel controls. If a highlight points to a settings icon or a panel toggle, click it to reveal more options, and then close it again. This quick tour reduces guesswork later when you start customizing text, images, and colors. When you're ready to make your site live, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Wix will prepare a live version of your site using the template as you've opened it. To wrap up the process, click Save and Continue. This confirms your publish and saves your work so you can keep editing at any time. Remember, publishing is reversible. You can update and republish as often as you like. That's it. You've created a website on Wix without AI, using the Studio template workflow, explored the editor's